What is up, guys? It is me, River Smith, here with a G.I. Joe unboxing. So let's get right into it. Alright. So here's the character. We got a Cobra Commander today. This is a 3-year-old figure. He was a 2020 figure. He is 2023, so yes, he was 3 years old. 2020 figure. Yeah, this is a cool figure. Shut my knife so we don't have to worry about that. Cut the box open before the video started. Alright, he has a stand. Here's his stand. Let's put him on his stand and see what he looks like. Hard to get him on his stand, so I'll probably do that later. So we got the Cobra signal right there. There's the back. This is definitely one of my favorite type of figures because I really like how he looks. So let's pop his gun out. A little piece fell on the floor. And let's also pop his knife out. He has some tape over his knife. That's a good idea, so his little knife doesn't come out and move around in the whole box. So here's his little knife. Here's his little gun. This gun has a little area right there to put it in, which is super creative in my opinion. Yes, that is super creative of them. That is super creative of Hasbro to think about that. And then he got his little knife holster right there. Alright, so there's his knife, his gun. He's all suited up. Well, anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Cobra Commander says peace. And join the Cobras.